Here are 10 things you should be buying at Home Depot. 1, paper towels. Y'all, can you believe it? They really are 98 cents. 98 cents. I'll say it again. 98 cents. Better than Sparkle. Number 2, things you should be buying at Home Depot. These are everyday prices. It's a golf umbrella for $4.97. It is the rainy season in most parts of the U.S. $4.98 gets you a jumbo large golf umbrella. These metal clamps, 99 cents each. Think about you dressing up your yard for Christmas, dressing up your mantle. You might need some of these heavy metal spring clamps, 99 cents at Walmart. $29.97 for this super bass speaker. Y'all, Christmas gifts, $29.97. I priced one of these for almost $300. Of course I didn't buy it. But this one is a keeper. And here you go. It's a propane heater. Christmas gift, possible Christmas gift, or something for your backyard. $99.97 is this Hampton Bay kerosene heater. Not kerosene, but you know what I'm talking about. $4.99 for these cinnamon scented pine cones. Make your house smell like the holidays immediately. $4.97. And while we're talking about it, y'all, they even have the brooms. They have the scented cinnamon brooms. Y'all, these things really fragrance the house well and immediately put you in a festive mood for the holidays. Go ahead and put them in now for Thanksgiving. The big brooms are just $7.98. These look great in the corner of the kitchen near the front door. As soon as people step in, they say, oh my God, it smells so nice and fresh. And y'all, guess what? If you don't have room for the big brooms, here are the mini brooms. Things you should be getting at Home Depot. Y'all, you know I spent a lot of time in Home Depot. I cannot believe all this good stuff that they have in there. Mini brooms, $4.97. There's just so many wonderful things that you should be getting at Home Depot. Y'all, it's the Sherpa socks that everybody is looking at. $7.88, y'all. This is some of the cheapest ones that I've seen. $7.88. And yeah, they might be a little cheaper at Walmart, but y'all, these are the cool ones. I love the characters, the vivid, bright colors, and you won't spend any extra money because you're in Home Depot. So just go in there, pop in, get what you want. Most of these items are straight down the first aisle of inventory in Walmart. Ask them where all the cool buys are. These are all special buys, so once they're gone, they're gone. But y'all, they have plenty in store. Look at this 6.5 quart Dutch oven with lid, y'all. This is the heavy cast iron Dutch oven for the low price of $49.99. Y'all, it's a 10-piece knife set. Cuisinart, $17.88, 10-piece knife set from Cuisinart. Go ahead and get yours now. Don't go into Wally World with all that throngs of people fighting for stuff. Get your stuff early, y'all, especially if you're of a particular age. Yep, 3 gallons of turkey fryer oil for $44.98. Fabuloso, regular price, always in stock, $7.98 for this gallon of Fabuloso If you don't like the purple, they have the green, they have the yellow, they have all the different scents. $7.98 for that gallon container. Get your Fabuloso here. Yeah, I know it, y'all. 10-piece night set, $17.88, $49.97 for the Dutch oven. Just giving you a quick review. Yep, these prices are real, friends. Go in and get them now. Beat the rush. It's a low-coal propane turkey fryer for $99.98. $99.98 gets you that outdoor turkey fryer. This one is for frying the turkey outside. Propane tank is not included.